Your next car could be the 2021 Hyundai Kona. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. Take a new sense of joy along on every journey in this stylish and connected Kona. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.